Do you remember back when in the winter we were so close like lovers? I swear we were one, I was lightning, you were thunder, and we were on the run with each other. On the run, on the run, on the run, on the run. Do you think about me ever? Do you think about me ever? Oh, 'cause I keep on having dreams about you. And I keep on waking up without you. So let me know, would you fall for me like I fall for you? Would you fall for me like I fall for you? Would you fall for me like I fall for you? Would you fall for me like I fall for you? Yeah. Outshine our fire, we were burning. Every step we took was like walking on water. The thrill, the rush, on the run with each other. On the run, on the run, on the run, on the run. Do you think about me ever? Do you think about me ever? Oh, 'cause everything that I said and I sung, it was all about you. And I keep on praying hard, I won't be without you. So let me know, would you fall for me like I fall for you? Would you fall for me like I fall for you? Would you fall for me like I fall for you? Would you fall for me like I fall for you? Yeah.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye. We said it said the sun. Close to the sun.
Do you remember back when in the winter we were so close like lovers?